Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock the Aether Crystal Camo for any gun in COD Mobile. This camo looks incredible on gun skins. First, complete your Undead Siege casual mode. Then load up Undead Siege hard mode, and on your first day, collect as much light and heavy ammo as you can. Also kill zombies with your wrench, especially the wardens. Note that snipers and shotguns deal the most regular and headshot damage.
At night, the bases will attract no end of danger. Bastards are here, guns are loaded. Let's get this started.
On the next day, take the helicopter and go to Sanitarium, because this is a place with the highest loot pool. You can get shotgun and sniper ammo here too. Also collect turret upgrade materials. When night comes, spend your Aether essence on buying more turrets and upgrading them.
Look over the blueprints for more details. Upgrading the original turret should have the
With the collected Aether essence, get your custom weapons that you want to grind the camo for. It is recommended to get the required kills with your custom guns on days 3, 4 and 5 by killing regular zombies, as they are more common and easier to kill.
We are ready to go home.
Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
What the hell, Doc? We teleported, but we're still in the same damn place. Do you think I don't...
On day 3, collect more turret upgrade materials and ammo. On this night, necromancers will spawn. They are highlighted by a pink icon. Make it your first priority to kill them as they greatly reduce damage done to all zombies. Snipers will one-shot them and most shotguns will two-shot them. They usually hide behind other zombies. They are also accompanied by heavy gunners. They should be your second priority. Try to aim for the head, this deals the most damage. On the 4th day, you will receive a mission which is highlighted by an exclamation mark. Go to the quest location with the helicopter, and complete it for level 3 and 4 turret upgrade materials, shotgun ammo and sniper ammo.
Well done! Just look at how pure the ether energy you've gathered is! This will be out of here in no time.
By the 4th night, you should at least have 3 turrets maxed out. I like to alternate between the types of turrets. This night will be more intense than the previous one. Focus on getting kills with your custom guns. On day 5, you will receive another mission. The rewards will be similar to the previous mission's rewards. This day is your best chance for grinding out the necessary kills on the custom gun. When night arrives, place sentries as close to the teleporter machine as you can, as this will make it harder for the zombies to get to the teleporter. This is the final night, hence there will be a lot of necromancers and heavy gunners. Towards the end of this night, focus mainly on repairing the base with your wrench. Once the mission is completed, you will be given 1/6 progress in your Camo Tracker tab. Do this 5 more times with your favorite gun to unlock the Aether Crystal Camo for it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing. It's free and you could unsubscribe anytime you want.